Hey guys, today I'm going to present you how to change gearbox knob for Vauxhall Insignia 2013 model year. Basically, it could be also an Opel Insignia for European countries. I have ordered this part basically from eBay, and it's not more than £10 as far as I remember. And yeah, this is the new part. I'm gonna unbox it. So it comes like this. It's a bit different than the original one because it's taken with some leather, and yeah. For that, I've put the lever in neutral position to be able to remove the knob, and yeah, for that I'm gonna go on the other side of the car. So for that I need to remove this chrome panel. Basically you just need to squeeze your fingers in here and drag it out like that. Here underneath we will have like cable tie which need to be taken off. Okay, so this is the cable tie, and then pull this back. Okay, and now I have complete access to the knob. What you need to do is just to press with the finger to the maximum position of the button like that and pull it out. You need to put some pressure. That's it. Okay, and now to press the other one. We have some grease in here, it seems. Put the new one in place. Okay, let's see if it's working. Okay, neutral position, parking position now, reverse. The car is trying to go back, neutral, and drive. Okay, stop the engine right now, and we will put back the leather. Okay, seems to be okay, and we need to put a new cable tie in place. Yeah. There is a small channel on the knob. Let me put another one. Basically this cable tie need to be in that channel, otherwise it will not keep the ladder in place. I believe it's there. Yep. Just remove the excess, the cable tie, and pull back the chrome plate as it was before, just like that. Just make sure the connector is still in place, okay, and that's it. Simple.